Hello all, in today's lesson we're gonna see on how we can install Ansible on our Linux system. So let's get started. So let me first tell you the lab which I would be using for today's practical. So in my lab I have a total number of 4 servers. The first one would be the Ansible master server and the other 3 ones would be the clients. So as you can see on my screen, I'm on my Ansible master server, right? So if I see if Ansible is installed or not on the system right now, I would type in the command which is Ansible hyphen hyphen version, and this shows that right now Ansible is not installed on the system. So in order to install Ansible, the first step is to include the Apple repository on the CentOS system. So in order to do that, we need to type in the command which is sudo yum install apple release. And as we can see here, this would start the integration of the Apple repository on the CentOS system. So I would pause my video for a minute until the installation is complete. We can choose the option yes when it is asked by the wizard. We can again choose yes. So as we can see here, the we have enabled the Apple repository on the CentOS system. So now in order to install Ansible, we need to type in the command which is yum install Ansible. It would download all the Ansible modules from the internet and all the prerequisites. So I would pause the video for a minute and would return once the installation is complete. We can choose the option as yes. As we can see here, it is downloading all the packages which are required as a prerequisite to install Ansible. And now it would install all the packages. So once the installation is complete, we would have an option which is complete shown on our system. So I would pause this video for a minute and would come back once the installation is complete. Okay, so as we can see here, the installation of Ansible is complete. So in order to check Ansible, we need to again type in the command which is Ansible space hyphen hyphen version, and this would show us the version of Ansible which is installed on our system. So this is how we can install Ansible on our Linux CentOS system.